Hello everyone, how are you all doing? A warm welcome from my channel Vatsalyam. So today we will see, as we welcome October, what all is there and stored for us in this month. So we'll see what positive changes are coming, what blessings are coming, how is the overall month going to be for you, what is there for career, your relationships, health, and at the end we'll see a small reading for with the charms here. So I've introduced charms in this reading as well. And before we begin, I would like to say that this time the options are according to the tarot elements: wands, swords, cup, and pentacle. So the wand represents Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Sword represents Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Cup represents Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. And Pentacle represents Capricorn, Virgo, and Taurus. This is mentioned in the description box. You can go to the timestamp and click on for your reading. Whichever way you follow your zodiac sign, you can watch this reading. If you follow two zodiac signs, you can watch both the videos. It is going to resonate with you. After you watch the video, please leave a like and a comment. It is very inspiring and motivating. So next you'll see a clipping for your options, and I shall see you at your reading. If you want to follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description box. Thank you. Welcome to your reading, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius for the month of October. So we'll see how the overall month is going to be: your health, education, relationships, career and finances, what positive changes are coming, blessings from the divine and the angels, and I've kept here charms for you. So we'll have a reading with this also today. So let's begin how the overall month is going to be. So the cards are telling me luck is on your side. Bring love into the situation. You and your loved ones are safe. Beautiful energy for the month. So it says that luck is on your side. The card is telling me that whatever will happen next in your life will be some sort of gift coming into your life now. You still have chances to improve things on your domestic front in case your relationships are not working very well. You still have those chances because luck is favoring you this month. And also you have the power to negotiate anything and everything. So dream big for yourself and laugh more. Practice gratitude. Explore. Count your blessings this month. Exchange ideas. It's going to be a beautiful month for you. So do all these things. Bring love into this situation is telling me that it's all about progress. It's time to move ahead. It's not the time to look back anymore. Change is on its way. You might find yourself doing things independently now. Be loving to everyone and everything. Let go of your past and move towards a bright future for yourself. Be more detached to situations that are not serving you anymore. And also the card is suggesting you to improve your karmas. So you can do charity work. You can feed the animals. That's also improving your karma. You can help somebody, and this way you can improve your karma. And it's also time to think out of the box because luck is favoring you for this month. So if you think out of the box, maybe that will help you go forward in your career. You and your loved ones are safe. So yes, it's a beautiful thing, and new start is coming into your life, especially your personal life here. And it also indicates that maybe somebody from your family or your flatmate, roommate, they might be moving out, maybe shifting houses or looking for another place for themselves. If you've been neglecting your family due to any reason, maybe you've been traveling or you've been busy with work, so now is the time to pay attention to your family. Let your family be priority for you this month. New cycle for your children or your child might start this month as well. Review your goals also. Since it's time for being emotional, it's an emotional energy coming in. So it's advised that you spend time near a water body, meditate, take a walk. This will bring peace to you and answers will come to you. So whatever happens next is going to be in your favor. I can also see justice coming in for you in this month. In any sector that you've been expecting justice, it's going to come for you, be it relationships, career, be it your health, anyways. So justice is coming to you. And I can see that new opportunities to grow your wealth is also coming. Source of income will be there. You can get a new job with a better salary, or you can get a raise in your salary, or you can receive unexpected finances coming your way. Maybe you win a lottery ticket. Maybe you've invested and now you're getting those rewards of your investments. You've asked for a loan, you're getting a loan has been sanctioned for you. So any kind of raise in your income is showing this month. Some of you will have a wish fulfillment happening this month for them. Whatever they've been desiring will come true for them. They'll be happy, they'll be successful, they'll enjoy the abundance, the contentment, the peace in their life with their families. I can see exchange of gifts happening, reunions happening this month. If you've been not visiting your family or your grandparents, you might plan to do so in this month. You might give them a gift, or you can receive a gift from them as well. If there was some kind of emotional support that you've been looking for, this month offers that emotional support and healing for you as well. And with the High Priestess card, I feel that you will be working on growing, expanding your awareness, your knowledge. Maybe you'll be reading a lot of books, different articles. You'll be gaining information from any source that you can to expand your knowledge. Maybe for a specific field it could be, or in general also. Maybe you can join some courses regarding that. You will find yourself growing into intuition. So there will be a downpour of intuitions for you, especially if you are a tarot reader or someone like this. There will be a downpour of intuitions. And in general also, it's a month to connect to your intuition, so it guides you the right way. If you're too much on social media, this month suggests you to be a little more detached from it. We spoke about the detachment. So this is also a detachment that is needed this month. You will find yourself keeping secrets. It is advisable that if you keep your secrets, whatever your plans or ideas are, share when they are required to share, where they are required to share. So unless that right time is there, be a little secretive about it. You'll be able to look straight forward in which direction you want to go, what you want to do in life. So this month is going to bring in all that. Here Archangel Raphael is here. He's sending you healing, and especially for your fourth chakra, your heart chakra. So all those blocked energies will be released this month. He's helping you. So make best use of his guidance, his help, and release all your blocked energies so you can move ahead into future with more positivity. Let's see what does health have for you this month. Okay, so these are your health cards. So what I can see is a news of pregnancy is coming your way. For some, it can be an arrival of a baby also in some families. For some, I feel you feel stuck in your own body. Maybe there are lot of aches and pains in your body. Maybe there is a discomfort that you're feeling within. So you'll feel stuck with your body, and you need to take that action to overcome this. Some of you might feel have some issues with your eyes and your lower back especially. For young children in the family, I can see that they might take charge. They need to take action for their routine. How much are they eating? When are they eating? What are they eating? How much exercise are they doing? So they need to take action for that, so that they don't just keep sitting and working at home, but they also need time for their body to stretch. So that will be required for young children in the house. Also, if some ailment was going on, it will gradually fade away because healing is coming for you this month. Let's see education. So for education, I see that some children are deciding a path for themselves here, and they are just a little confused whether the path is right or not. So the card is telling me, yes, you're on the right path, you can go for it, and you'll work hard also. And some children have been working hard and will continue to work hard with all their focus and determination, because they're focusing only on how they're going to perform now. They're competing with themselves only. So they are putting in a lot of hard work, which will surely be rewarded with success. Some children, I feel, are a little stuck with maybe a particular subject or a particular topic. And so for that, if you've been working hard and feeling stuck, then it's time to take some break. Let your mind feel fresh so that you can find different ways of approaching that problem of yours. And maybe after a break, the problem is no more a problem and you get a quick solution. And so this was for education. Let's see what is there for relationships here. So I see movement happening in relationships, as we discussed there, that some of you might be changing house. So maybe some of you are moving out of your family and moving towards another home or another city. And it could also be moving away from a relationship, like we said, to detach yourself from any pain that has been ongoing in your relationship. So maybe you'll detach yourself from a relationship and move more towards positivity in your life now. You have been thinking about your unresolved conflicts, about relationships that need focus, so you've been thinking about it, you've been thinking emotionally, you've been thinking logically, and now you're all set to take actions for that. But the only advice is that don't take any action in a haste. Be calm, be practical, think, and then take those actions. So relationships, whichever require action, you'll be seen taking them. Now let's see your career and finances. So I'll begin with this card. Celebration, Wheel of Fortune, Five of Pentacles, and Judgment card. So here, some of you whose business has not been going too well, or work has not been going too well, or at workplace are facing some problems, some issue, or not getting the desired work, but you've been making your own efforts. You have not stuck to a place. You've been taking baby steps. You've trying to do something or the other, putting in your effort. So here, yes, Wheel of Fortune is supporting you. Luck is going to favor you. Justice is going to come to you. Clarity is going to come to you. So any decision that you were unable to make, you'll be able to make in this month now. And you will be celebrating your raise in salary, or your promotion, or your achievements, or a deal happening that you've been waiting for. So celebration is there. So it's a beautiful card. Wheel of Fortune is bringing you luck. And as it is, luck is on your side. The energy of the month said so. So career and finances is this what we have for you. Now let's see positive changes coming into your life. So we have two cards here, not for you and why. So not for you here is telling that if you've been denied of something, it is God's way of protecting you, and you and your loved ones are protected, is what the card also said. So if you are being denied, accept it. Don't fight with it. Don't struggle with it. Just accept it for this month, because you know that divine is protecting you. If in a relationship you face rejection, then it is also a way of God's protection to you. And if you are rejecting, then you are doing this for the sake of both of you. So this change you are going to bring into yourself, this positive change is coming into your life, and no effort of yours is going to go waste. It will succeed when the divine timing is there. So so now is the time to walk away. There are other goals, there are other love, other games that are waiting for you to succeed in. So bring this beautiful change into your life and move away. Detach yourself, as the energy of the month also said so. The second is why, and it is saying that you will see yourself connecting to the power of knowing the why. Clarity will come to you as you start questioning your demands, your desires, making a particular choice for that matter. You will recognize the unresolved issues in the past and whys attached to it. Why did it happen? Why did I say this? Or why did I do this? And when you spend this time with yourself, you will receive those answers to all your whys. So this positive change is coming to you, towards you this month. Let's see blessings from the angels and blessing from the divine. So here angel is giving you the blessing of overcoming difficulties, Archangel Jeremiah, and he's saying that the worst is now behind you and you are surmounting any previous challenge. So here angel is creating that bridge for you to cross over so that you leave your challenges behind and you're moving towards a brighter future, a positive future where you will find all your hard work being rewarded with and abundance coming your way. Here, this is the card of Lord Ganesha, and he's blessing you with cultivation. And here Lord is telling you that listening to music can heal and nurture your soul. At the heart of humanity is the song of the soul, as it is said. So listening to music can heal and also, uplift your energies. Children can also do it when they are feeling overstressed or quite tired after doing hard work. They can also listen to relaxing music so that it uplifts their energy. It also helps you to clear your confusions and you become more receptive to changes, more receptive to ideas then. And he's asking you to incorporate music into your life in such a way that it will allow your spiritual expansion as well. With the High Priestess card also, there is a connect that High Priestess has with divine. She is considered to be a very spiritual lady. So here divine is also asking you to have that connect with spirituality through music. So I've kept here few charms. I hope you can see them clearly. So I have this charm of cross, which says that your life is protected, you are protected, your loved ones are protected. I have this little teacup here, and it says you're inviting friends into your life, and there was celebration, and maybe some of you are fond of drinking tea also. I see a fork here, and it says that maybe you would visit a place where it's a nice dine out, celebrating your occasions, or it could be cooking something at home, becoming a chef yourself at home. I have a chakra card here, a meditation charm here, which says that you need to balance your chakras, meditate. And so the Hangman card also came, and Archangel Raphael also said to open your fourth chakra. A horse charm here, and it says freedom is coming. So freedom from any burden of your relationships is coming. Focus is coming. Power is coming to you to understand who you are, what you want, what decision will be good for you. I have the lotus charm, which says fortune, new beginning is coming. Maybe some of you have a lotus at home, or you offer lotus to God. Then I have this bottle charm, and it says it will help you to make important decisions in life. So this is where Judgment card also said the same thing here. And we have this heart charm, which says I love you. So we had this gratitude, that we pay gratitude to universe, to people around you. So somebody needs to hear this, that you love them. And I have this last charm here, which is the endless knot charm, which says that boundless wisdom, compassion is coming into your life. Maybe some of you are fond of jewelry, fond of fashion, so or are in a weaving business for that matter. So this was a small intro to charms here. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Thank you. Welcome to your reading, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. So let us see how the overall month of October is going to be for you. So the cards are telling me luck is on your side. So with this card, definitely luck is coming in. So whatever you want to do in your life right now, You can plan accordingly with your focus, with your intentions, with the clarity. If there are problems at your domestic front, in your personal life, this is the time to focus on them, and they are going to resolve. Whatever is going to happen next is going to be some sort of gift that you will nurture for life. It's going to be a gift, like a gift coming into your life. So here you have the power to negotiate anything and everything at your work, at your home. Dream big, because universe is going to fulfill your dreams this month. Laugh more, practice gratitude, share your ideas with as many people as you can, and maybe you will need to do this so that you can move ahead from a stuck energy in your life. Second card is hold your vision. So here you are being asked to either stand firm in whatever situation you are in, or either you are stuck in something. So you need to be stubborn if you really want to change things in your life for better. So be little stubborn, focus what you need and bring a solution to it, a change to it. It is also going to be a month of self-reflection. So you will need faith, you will need patience, you will need to back down from somewhere maybe. Avoid stagnation in this month for yourself. Personal or professional relationships will be very enduring for you this month. Let's see the other card. Show the world the real you. So here the universe is asking you to be aware of your feelings, but also be prepared to move on. Don't lose that beauty of love and romance from your life, from your heart. There might be a friend who really needs you this month. So be there, stand by that friend of yours. A situation is definitely going to take an unexpected turn. It could be your personal life or your professional life. It is time to release your past, to let go of something or someone. And this let go can also be applicable to you, that maybe somebody wants to let go of you. So we will see how the month unfolds itself in this regard. But something unexpected will definitely turn up. Now let's see the other card. Surrender to the divine. So here all your unanswered questions are going to get answered. Your wish is going to come true. So it is make or a break time for you. Stay calm. You might feel that too many things are happening around you. It can be maddening for you. So you will need that calmness. You will need that peace. You will need that connect with yourself here. Release all the negative energies. If you need to forgive someone, do that. If you have to leave your past, do that. If you have to come out of a relationship, do that. But you have to release your negative energy. You will have to work hard in every aspect, whichever needs that hard work right now. Then we have the card of walking away. You will find yourself opening new gates towards prosperity, a positive change, towards hope, a better future for yourself. It could be walking away from a relationship, from a person, from a workplace, a work environment. It could also be walking away from a health issue of yours. So you will need courage. You will need that strength this month to walk away and to open new gates in your life. Now let's see what are the tarot cards telling us. So here some people or children in your life, they might need some guidance, some counseling or extra coaching. So that can be there. It can be for you as well, some extra coaching, some extra counseling, or some of you might be arranging some ceremony, traditional ceremony at home. So this is also indicated this month. Strength, we've already spoken about that you will need that strength and courage this month, to move away. And self-love will be important for you this month, to love yourself, to understand yourself, your needs, your visions need that clarity. Some of you have been consistently working hard, so hard work is already on the cards, and you will be rewarded for your hard work also. It will be acknowledged, it will be recognized. Past definitely has to be left behind this month, and you need to move ahead. Past is still, it is not coming into your life, but you have to stop looking back now. Now is the time to move forward, to open that gate to future now. So And I can feel that some of you might have some neck or throat issues, back issue, leg or knee issues can also occur this month. Movement is going to take place. Now, this movement can be a physical movement where you will see a change in your job place, a change in your environment, maybe traveling for work or pleasure, or this kind of movement, or changing your job also. This anything that was stuck in your life, that was stagnant, that was not moving, will move ahead. Maybe when you meet people, you share your ideas, maybe your idea clicks to someone and they help you to move ahead in your work, in your business. So that kind of movement is also anticipated in this month. Also, I can see that some kind of information, news is coming towards you in a speed. Maybe you've been waiting for something, or it could be something that we spoke about is unexpected coming towards you. So that is happening. The month also advises you not to get distracted, not to trap yourself into illusions, into too many choices. Use your wisdom, use your learnings as you unfold this month. So make wise choices for yourself this month. Now let's see how is health going to be for you this month. Okay, so we have a good news for someone. Maybe somebody is going to be pregnant, sharing this news, or a ceremony around your pregnancy is there, which we spoke that there can be a traditional ceremony. Also, I can see that some of you will be moving towards a better, healthier lifestyle. Maybe you would like to incorporate more of green vegetables into your lifestyle, into your diet, working towards your health, your exercise routine, and also breathing in fresh air will help you this month a lot. Now let's see. Also, maybe some females might face bloating of stomach or some issue for which they might have to visit a gynecologist. Not something major, but something can be there for some of you. Let's see education. How is it going to be for the month of October? Okay, so here I feel with the Justice card that some children are not, are not able to connect to the true capability that they have. They are capable of doing really well, but they are not utilizing that capability of theirs. They are not doing justice to that ability, that skill that they have. So they need to focus on that and use it into their lives. Some children who have been really working hard, like we spoke that hard work is there. So if you've been really working hard, you will be rewarded with it. You will get that justice in your results, in your performance, and that will boost your confidence. That will make you more focused, more determined, more action oriented towards your towards performing better in your studies ahead. Some children are waiting for a confirmation that the path they want to choose is right or not. So yes, the confirmation is there. It is a right path because we had the card of luck is on your side. So now is the time to venture into that new life on your new journey, and all the best for that. Some children might be reuniting with their families. Maybe they are staying in a hostel or some other city, coming home for vacation, or parents are meeting them. So some kind of reunion. This reunion also helps in uplifting your energies, freshening your mind, getting that love and care from your parents. It helps you to rejuvenate yourself with more energy. So that I can see happening here. And let's see, what does relationship have to share for the month? Okay, so I see someone is waiting for love coming into their life, for emotional healing, some support coming into their life. And yes, your wait is over. A very passionate person is entering into your life who will help you to overcome your past. Also, some of you might encounter people who are more emotional. A person who's more emotional might come into your life and help you to heal yourself emotionally, give you that support, emotional support. And but if you are that person, then you also need to be careful in your energies, what you're exchanging, because if you're giving too much and not receiving enough, then your energies can block yourself. So don't block your energies. Keep a balance in your give and take. Some people here, I can feel if they've been working too hard and not paying much attention to home, then this is the month to maintain a balance between your work and a home. But definitely a more logical person might be entering your life as well. So stability is coming, security is coming, emotional support is coming for you in relationships in this month for you. Let's see career and finances. Okay, so what I see here is a major transformation is happening. Some of you might have had a break in your job or didn't have a job for a while, or you were sick and now you are rejoining work. So for some of you, there is a lot of clarity that you have gone through during this isolation period of yours, where you've thought with depth that what I need to do, what shall I pursue, what is there in these days which will bring more stability into my life, more security into my life. So for some of you, it could be a complete change in your career line as well. So a transformation is coming, and this transformation can be your career line, it can be environment change, it could be a change in your position, but some changes definitely there for the better. So you might feel more challenges or obstacles in this change, because it's not a part of your comfort zone anymore. So you might face that. For some might get a car also from your office as you get a change in your position. That can also come towards you. Some will attempt to maintain a balance between their work life and their personal life here. So here in your career, you'll be needing the abilities, the skills that you have, a calm mind, and ready for witnessing any change that is coming towards you. Let's see what positive change this month is going to bring for you. I'll keep this here so it gets a little more clear for you. Okay, so the change is Y and peace. So the Y card is telling me that because this month is going to offer you clarity, so you will start questioning everything that is around you. That why do I need this? If I do this, then how will I reach there? You know, all the whys attached to your growth. You will find yourself arguing, fighting with your own thoughts so that you get the best result of what you actually intend to have in your life. That focus, that intention, that aim will come to you then. The second change that is coming towards you is peace. So you will feel that freedom from your attachments. You will be more acceptant. You will have that more acceptance towards situations, relationships, things around you. You will feel peace in your relationships. There will be a clear vision at work, and you will create prosperity for yourself. Calmness will be there. Life will be filled with a beautiful music for you this month. So a beautiful change coming your way. Now let's see blessings coming for you. So here we have two cards from the angels. In the first group I got just one card from the angel, but for you I got two cards. And this is the card from divine, blessing from divine. So the first card says nurture, Archangel Gabriel. As you nurture a child, you nurture your own inner child. So here the Archangel Gabriel is telling you that the way we nurture a child, the same way you need to nurture yourself. Nurture your inner being, nurture your inner self and connect to it so that you get a lot of clarity and focus in your life. Second is clear crystal intentions, Archangel Michael. So he's telling you that be clear about what you desire and focus upon it with unwavering faith. So we spoke about faith in the beginning. So he's also blessing you with this faith, that just believe in yourself, have an intention, be focused what you want and move towards it. And Lord Ganesha, he's blessing you with concentration. So he's telling you that utilize all your resources, your tools, your skills that are available to you, and you will feel inspired to solve your own problems. You just need to focus on what you need and channel your energies towards it. Keep yourself away from distractions. In the beginning we shared about it, and just channel your energies toward this goal. Commit yourself towards it and you will get what you want. Lot of interaction is needed in this month with other people, that we had already shared in the beginning. So beautiful blessing coming your way. I have these charms here. So a travel charm, an aeroplane. So the movement was already there. So you might be traveling somewhere. I have this little parrot charm. So maybe you are fond of parrots, and here this is telling me that positive, positive energies are coming, good luck is coming, wisdom is coming. So with the bird charm, there is freedom coming into your life. I have this wing charm, a feather charm, which says angels are there. So maybe you're finding feathers in your garden. Just look for them carefully. A shell charm, which again is assuring you that you're on the right path. So if children have this confusion, the charm also clarifies it. You are protected, good fortune is coming. So somebody is tying a knot here. I have the fox charm, which says beauty, to work on yourself, self-love, good luck is coming, positive energy is coming. And I have the violin charm here, which says music is going to be important this month. Maybe you play a violin or you are learning a violin. So this was your reading. Thank you. Welcome to your reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So we will first see how the entire month is going to be for you. So the card says your dreams need a practical plan. So this is a month to manifest, imagine, accept and welcome it. Some of you might feel a little lazy during this month, but change the habit, because it will not help you in future by being lazy, because it's the time to take action for your dreams. Here you are advised not to chase money, but to chase your dreams, something that you really want in your life. A lot of physical exercise is being advised here. Get grounded, especially work on your chakras. Your chakra needs healing, it needs balancing, it needs that cleansing. So this month focus on more of your physical activities. The other card says be bold and make the first move. So here it is now time to take matters into your hands. Be determined, be organized in whatever you have to do. Take charge of your own destiny now. You have to be bold and you have to follow all that your heart and your emotions are asking you to do this month. It is time for action. You can ask Divine to help you, help remove all the obstacles in your path. The universe is telling you that you're a natural leader. Something new is starting and maybe you need to lead the way out. So the next card says woman holding a heart. So for sure there is somebody who is coming into your life. If you need healing, there is a woman who's there or will enter into your life, will take care of you. Maybe there is somebody you want should enter your life, love of your life. So that could happen for you. So this month it is better that you avoid temptations, especially regarding money. There can be surprises coming in for you during this month. If there are some people, especially women, who want to start their own business or something from home and they want to be financially independent, they'll be able to do that. Maybe you are the person who's leading a group of women, for a small business, a startup, something of that sort. So maybe you are the leader here. You are taking that charge in your hand. This month is also advised that when you're making investments, taking business decisions, to be little wise and mindful so that you're able to grow your money and not lose your money. Release all the fears that are stuck within you. So focus on money this month for yourself. Also here with the Hangman energy, it says that you need to have a little different approach towards life, a different approach towards your situations, towards people in your life, approach towards your own thoughts, your own belief system. Maybe some of you will get that spiritual wisdom. You would like to go into spirituality, understand what spirituality is. Some of you might suffer from little headaches, some head related issues for this month. Some might want to just take a break, relaxing themselves, coming up with different ideas then. Justice can be seen coming this month for you. So this justice could be in regard to any court case if it's going on for you. It could be in regard to your abilities, your hard work not being acknowledged. So you might get a justice in that as well. Health issues, if you've been working hard towards your health, you'll get justice in that as well. Healing will come to you. So justice is coming to you in different areas. Now let's see health. How is health going to be for the month of October? So here I can see somebody is consistently working hard to create a healthy lifestyle for themselves. Some of you might undergo issues of shoulder pain, maybe a cold shoulder, tennis elbow. A lot of stretching is required. Maybe a lot of stretching, if you do stretching exercises, will strengthen your muscles, will release that blocked energy within your body. The group, when I was shuffling the cards, the energy felt quite stuck in this. So maybe you need to release through a lot of physical work. Some of you I can see are recovering from your ongoing ailment, maybe a back issue. So healing is going to come this month for you. Now let's see education. So I can see that children have whatever plans they have. It is time to bring their plans into action, their ideas into action. They can manifest what they want to, what they have dreamt of, what they desire to. So they can, a fresh start, a focus, more focused into their studies, taking inspirations, making their creative ideas. A lot of thought process is going to go on and they are going to implement it, bring it into action. Some students, if they want to start their internship or something like that, where they can earn a little money, that can also coming here. And I can also see that some students will take advices how they can, maybe they want to go into this investment kind of a field. So maybe they learn how to invest money here, and that kind of guidance is also coming here for them. So they can seek some guidance in this field also. Let's see relationships. What do they have to tell us? So you have the Wheel of Fortune here. So things are going to change for you. If the situation at your personal side front is like you're dealing with too many challenges, obstacles, then you will cross them. There will be harmony coming into your life. If you want that your love should be accepted by your family, that will happen. Some of you can be seen going away from a situation that has not been doing good to them. Some of you can begin a spiritual journey for yourself. Some of you might go away from the house for some other reasons. It could be just travel to another country or just, shifting your house. So it can also be this in relationships, but definitely luck is going to favor you. Good luck is coming towards you. So good fortune is coming towards you. So it can be a turning point in your relationships for this month. Let's see career and finances. Okay. So we have a travel card here. So maybe some of you are going to travel abroad or shift abroad from one country to another for job purpose. So this could be a job purpose. It could also be for your business that you are traveling to expand your business. Some of you will expand business internationally, and it could also be that a contract is being finished and new contract is coming into your life, and it could be finishing a particular role in your whichever company you're working in, organization you're working with, and being promoted to another level. But something unexpected is definitely coming towards you, where all your hard work, your your skills, your abilities will be recognized, and you will get those recognition, acknowledgement, success, achievements. Happiness is going to come towards you. Something sudden, unexpected is coming. There will be a balance in your work life. You'll be able to maintain a balance in your work life. For some, I see that there will be people who are into like tarot reading or astrology, where intuitions play a major role. So there'll be a downpour of intuitions this month for you. Your intuition is going to guide you a lot. Also, I can see that if somebody is wanting to begin writing a book, they can start that. Somebody is about to finish writing a book, that will happen this month. Some of you will engage yourself in gaining extra knowledge, extra awareness about your work, your career, so you can indulge in a lot of research work here as well. So this is for your career and finances. Let's see what positive changes are coming for you. So we have 3 cards here: clean it up, new life, and exchange gifts. Okay. So here exchange gifts can be it can be like your exchanging physical gifts, like maybe there's an anniversary, a birthday, a ceremony, maybe at workplace, anywhere where you can receive gifts and you can also give gifts. Maybe there's some festival coming up where you can exchange gifts. This gift can also be of knowledge, your skill, your abilities, where you share your understanding, your knowledge, and you receive that respect from others. So that kind of exchange can also happen. Attending seminars for your workplace maybe, so there you can have this exchange of gifts as well. Next is new life. So yes, if some of you are traveling, are shifting to another country, or something unexpected in your job is coming up, if you're starting a new spiritual journey, so all these things are going to come as a new life for you, a new phase of your life, a new journey is coming. If you're healing from your health issues, if you are taking a new path, if you're beginning a new book, so all these new phases are going to come into your life this month. Clean it up. So here all that is blocked with the new needs cleaning. Like we clean our houses, that's the kind of cleaning you need right now. So release all your blocked energies so that you can welcome freshness, hope, positivity, creativity into your life now. Let's see what blessing angels are sending and what blessing the divine is sending to you. So here is the blessing of chakra cleaning. Like I said, you need to clean your chakras as well, heal them. Here Archangel Metatron is telling you, call upon me to clear and open your chakras using sacred geometric shapes. So you can take help of Archangel Metatron. You can ask him to help you. You can do meditation. You can use a diet program where chakra healing is done. So all those things will help you to release your blocked energy. And also the divine is giving you the blessing of cultivation. He's asking you to cultivate music into your life. Music not only heals you but also nurtures your soul. Music helps you to uplift your energy. It makes you more receptive towards others. So use his blessing this month so that you can invite positivity into your life. I have kept some charms here, something new that I wanted to add for this month reading. So I have the charm of Eiffel Tower. So maybe some of you are traveling there, visiting Eiffel Tower, or you are relocating to that place. I also have the charm of heart. So the woman with the open heart, it says invite love into your life. There is music. So divine has already asked you to inculcate music. So maybe you would start playing some music, listening to music, connecting to music, or you're already doing all this. Dragonfly, it flies very fast. So it's telling you it's time to go a little slow and steady. Then there is a bow. So maybe you're tying a knot of love, or you are visiting a party or somewhere where you will wear something formal like this. Then there is a heart that says thank you. So maybe it's time to pay your gratitude and to people who've been supporting you, loving you unconditionally. Then there's the bottle charm. It says there are new changes going to come into your life, and the reading also says so. So these were your little charms that I have kept. Thank you. Have a blessed October. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, welcome to your reading for the month of October 2021. So let us see what is the overall month going to be. How is the overall month going to be for you? So I have the cards here. Expect powerful change. Your hard work is paying off. The energy is gaining momentum, and yin and yang. So here the cards are telling me that it is now time to forget your past, because life evolves every day. Whatever is going to happen now is going to happen for good. Whichever situation you are in, you are definitely going to move towards something that is better, somewhere that is better, the direction, whichever direction you choose. And it's a very positive card which says a big yes to whatever you want to do, whatever you want to choose in your life, whichever direction you want to go. This month can be an important turning point in your life as well. The universe is asking you, please do not fear anymore. You just need to forget your past, and then you need proper planning and execution. This month you should be more goal oriented. Do not have any distractions. Bring in more discipline into your life. Do a lot of hard work that will make your dreams come into reality. Just having plans will not help. You have to bring your plans into reality, bring them into execution. There are very creative ideas that you're holding in your mind. You need to now bring it into reality. So you need proper planning, execution, and also it is a good card for studies or teaching professions. So here the card, your hard work is paying off, is a positive card for people who are either students or in the teaching line. Also here the card is telling that there is a new start professionally coming in. Improved work cycle is going to be there. If you are unhappy at a place, then you can negotiate, or you can also plan to now change your position, change your place also. The card is also asking you, guiding you, that please do not have a controlling nature this month. Or if there is somebody who is controlling you, then please you need to now let go of that. This nature, this attitude is not going to help you this month especially. The other card is the energy is gaining momentum. The card says that be assured that you are on the right path. So whatever you are planning and want to execute, or you want to take up as a career or in your studies, whichever way is going to be the right path for you. Your dreams are going to come true this month for you. The universe is asking you that be consistent and focused in your efforts. There is still little more to be done now. And keep reviewing your goals. Stay committed. Whichever goal you want to achieve, keep reviewing them and keep moving forward. So the month is also offering a lot of energy. Energetic life cycle is going to be there. Lots of movement is going to be there. It is a good time to trust your intuition and be more receptive this month. I can see that things are going to come into balance. Harmony is going to come. You will be able to wrap up your things, complete them, wrap them up. And now is the right time if you want to pursue project, a goal, or a relationship. So this is going to be a great month for you. I can see a passionate person coming towards you. You will tie a knot with that person, which is, the knot is blessed by the angel, by the divine itself. So it's a trustworthy relationship that is entering into your life. I can see a ceremony happening. It could be a graduation ceremony, it could be your engagement ceremony, marriage ceremony, or it could be laying foundation for your new house or buying a new house. So something where celebration is happening. The tarot cards are also telling me that movement is going to happen. It can be a physical movement. Maybe you're changing your job place. Maybe environment at your workplace is changing. Maybe you're changing your city or traveling towards another city. This could be an inward change also, an inward growth in your, as a person, a self growth. Somebody will have a better position now, a better, a more respect in the society. There will be wise choices that you will be able to make. You will be able to take good decisions for yourself. So a lot of action is going to happen this month for the better. Let's see, what does health have to tell us about this month? Okay, so I see that there is some argument also which can happen in this month, and that argument can cause a lot of, stress. So stress can hamper your health. You can have headaches. If you are a migraine person, then your migraine can get, you can have migraine attacks. So certain stress related problems have to be avoided. So drink more water, stay calm, meditate, do breathing exercises, and take care of your health. Something unexpected is definitely coming towards you in regard to your health. Maybe you have been going through something and you were becoming hopeless of recovery, but that surprise can come into your life that you will recover, you will enjoy the life that you have, you will lead a more healthier life now. You will work towards more, you'll become more health conscious. You will be more organic in your approach now. So this kind of surprise and unexpected thing is coming towards your health as well. Now let's see education. What is it going to tell us? How is the month of October going to be for students? Okay, so for some, I see that they are taking a new path and moving towards it. They have already decided what they want to do and they are moving towards it. It can be a path which can be related to spirituality, like astrology they can take up, tarot reading they can take up, or something different as well they can take up. I can see that certain children are wanting to take up lines like agriculture or organic farming, stuff like this, but they are a little confused whether it's going to be good for them or not. So maybe they'll be able to take it as a secondary subject and keeping something a primary subject. This can also happen, or whole solely going towards it. It's a good path. The card has already confirmed in the beginning, and you're going to rise in it. You're going to shine in this. So clarity is going to definitely come to you when you're thinking about it. Studying in nature, under a tree, in your garden, it will help you to focus better. The fresh air, the sunlight, it is going to help you, especially early morning studies. This is going to help you this month. Certain children can also be dealing with choosing a specialization course. So maybe some of you would like to become a gynecologist. So certain kind of choices are being made here, but you'll be able to make the right choice and you'll shine in that field, whichever you choose for yourself. Let's see how our relationships going to be in the coming month of October. Okay, so here I see that there is an inheritance of property happening. Somebody is going to retire and share that responsibility to the other generation. There can be a dispute that might happen in regard to property. So that can also be seen here. Someone will gain unexpected finances from somewhere, from your relatives or somewhere. I see that a person who is like a motherly figure in your life, or somebody who really cares and nurtures you, she needs your time, your attention. Maybe she is little lonely, maybe she is not well from within, maybe the dispute is hampering her, mental state. You need to sit with her, you need to give her the same nurturing, the care that she has been doing for you for years now. She needs your help now. And if you are the person who is in this situation, then it is time that you take care of yourself. Only if you have a healthy body, a healthy mind, will you be able to nurture and care for your family. So do not neglect yourself. There's a young energy here which I can see is ready to, bring in a new love into their life. So maybe that is not being accepted. That can be a cause of dispute, or it is being accepted and ceremony is going to happen around that. So anything of this sort is there. Now let's see career and finances. How is it going to be for the month of October? Okay, so here I see choices. You have options and you are unable to decide which way to go. There is a big transformation coming in for you. And don't forget that the cards that we pulled out in the beginning, they said that whichever path you choose, you will benefit from it. So don't have a doubt of whatever you will choose, but be obviously wise and sensible while making your decision. A major transformation is coming. Maybe you are leaving your office job and beginning something new for yourself, trying to gain that stability, position that is coming in for some. There can be a raise in your status. There can be more stability coming in for you, security coming in for you. You will be a very strategic leader. You will plan accordingly which way you want to take your project, how it should go, what steps should be taken. So all that strategy and planning will be there in regard to your career at work. A very good month for teachers, for writers, for people who use their intuition a lot, like tarot readers, astrologers, if they need intuition things. So a very good month for them. A lot of downpour of intuitions is going to happen for you this month. Also, if you are a writer and you want to begin writing a book, you can do it. Maybe you are going to complete a book. So anything of this sort can happen. Somebody will be gaining extra knowledge, joining courses or webinars, seminars, workshops to, enhance their awareness about different, whatever field you are in regard to that, or extra knowledge about some other field as well. I can see a raise in money here. So maybe a young person is ready to begin a new job here, or somebody is altogether beginning something new for themselves this month. So this is what career had for you. Now let's see what positive changes are coming into your life in this month. So the cards here are telling me that if you were always desiring to be a part of a group, a part of a community, but you were not getting that acceptance until now, that is going to happen for you. So a big positive change is coming. If you were finding a support for yourself, you are going to get that support in a relationship from a special person. You will get that. You might find a new relationship for yourself as well. The universe is telling you that any change that comes into your life will only come if you are your real self and you are not wearing any mask, or you are not, faking yourself. So be your true self and you will attract that abundance into your life. It is now time to heal from your past, from your any unhealthy alliances that you had. So it's time to come out of it and welcome all the positivity in your life here. So the other card is all that glitters. So that is telling us that there is now need to see beyond superficial, because it is a change. So you will be able to see it. You will be able to see that what you wanted to acquire, because others are also running around about it, running after it, and you also wanted to be a part of that race. But once you have understood that no, it is all that glitters is not gold. What you want is true happiness. What you want is that where you can shine, where you can bring out best of yourself, best of your ability. So that is something that change will come into your perspective for the coming month. Let's see what blessings angels are sending you and what blessing divine is sending you. So here we have counselor, Archangel Israel, and he's saying that you are a natural counselor and many people benefit from your guidance and reassurance. So maybe this is something that you naturally have within you, and you might want to now take it up as a career for yourself. This can be a major transformation coming into your life, shifting your career line completely. Or if you were planning to just give up from this counseling, then this is the blessing that you're already gifted with it. Don't give it up. The divine is sending you blessing of priorities. So here divine is asking you that make the most of the time. Every day is a gift and you will benefit from prioritizing it. You will emerge with clarity. Whatever you truly want, just make wise choices and ask questions to yourself that if I take this decision for this choice, what are the consequences going to be? So when you start arguing, when you start questioning your own decisions, you are able to make much more matured and wise decisions. Okay, so now here I have some charms that I've included in this reading, and when I took out, I got so many of these. So I'm going to share what do the charms have to tell you. So the charm of feather is telling me that maybe you're seeing feathers around too much, so you need to be reassured that you're protected. Angels are around you to guide you. Then I have this bird charm. It says peace is coming into your life, happiness is coming into your life. With the circle charm, maybe you are creating boundaries for yourself. And also some of you can buy a bangle or are very fond of bangles. Then I have a giraffe charm here, which says that you need to look at the bigger picture. Like a giraffe stands tall and is able to view things from a different perspective. So now is the time to view things from a different perspective for yourself. I have a heart charm which says I love you. So love is definitely coming in someone's life here. I have a bow charm. So you are tying a knot with the person that is coming into your life. A Hamsa hand charm which says career happiness is coming, luck is coming, health is good, health is coming your way. You need to protect yourself also. Butterfly charm, it says changes are coming, transformation is coming, which we've already spoken about. Then I have the cycle charm. It says maybe you need to exercise more, go out in the sun, take that vitamin D for yourself, cycle and paddle yourself and release all the blocked energies. A horse charm is here that says freedom is coming, focus is coming for you this month, and speed is coming into your life. I have a fork charm that says maybe you're a chef and you'll be exploring different dishes, or at home you'll be cooking something really good for yourself this month. A leaf charm that you're transforming as a person. You are inviting growth, you're inviting maturity in your life here. So this was your reading with the charms. I hope the coming month is a beautiful and a blessed month for you. Thank you.